Hello, how are you? In this video we will see how to make a sheet of paper catch fire within the span of 1/8 of a second. This video is brought to you by Question Response. I thank Stephen Giles, Franklin Vo, Zachary Cheney and Andrew McCarthy for answering this question. We'll start with Stephen Giles's first answer.
Flash paper. Flash paper is a prop used by magicians in which they can make an audience member's written prediction go up in flames instantly with a magical flare. Normal paper will just singe and then slowly burn. This stuff, as advertised, flashes up almost instantly and leaves very little residue. One could write the word necklace onto the paper, screw it up, light it, within the flash a necklace seems to appear in its place with no evidence that the paper was ever there. It happens so fast that the magician can do this all in their hands without risk of burning themselves. The paper is set alight with the smallest flame. You can also buy flash cotton which is ignited by a simple flint spark. Simply print all the documents onto this paper and file them away as normal. Attach a lighter device that creates a spark to the lining of the drawer and wire it up to a protected button, or something that requires a key. Have the drawer lined with the flash cotton so as to eliminate the need for a fuel source to create a small flame. The spark or the lighter component would be sufficient. When the time comes, hit the button or whatever you use to activate it and say bye-bye to your documents. You can buy flash sparkle powder to add more of a flare to your destruction of documents.
What do you think? We will continue with Franklin Vo's answer.
Greater than I want to make a desk drawer that would, if given a signal, be able to destroy a bunch of paper in the span of less than a second. You're thinking about this the wrong way. If you want to be able to, at the push of a button, destroy a drawer full of papers, fire is the wrong way to do it. Even if you can rig up a system to start a fire, which isn't that hard, a stack of paper burns fairly slowly. Take a notebook and toss it in a fireplace. See how long the papers in the middle last? Plus the heat and smoke are a dead giveaway something's going on. No, if why, access this answer and support the author as a Quora Plus subscriber. Access all answers reserved by Franklin Vo. For Quora Plus subscribers, access exclusive answers from thousands more participating creators in Quora Plus. Browse ad-free and support creators. Start free trial. Learn more.
The following answer is from Zachary Cheney.
Create a delivery system that will spray chlorine trifluoride onto the file folder. It will be gone in probably less time than that. However, you do not want to be sitting at the desk at the time. Or in the building, or on the same block. Also, you will probably kill everyone else around. So, I don't recommend this method, but it will work.
We continue with Andrew McCarthy's answer.
If the file cabinet is like this one, and is insulated and reinforced against fire, drill a small hole in the side of it, just large enough to thread a piece of fishing line. At the end of the fishing line, loop it to a simple ring, something easily grabbed and yanked on. Inside the safe, tie the fishing line, with no slack, to the pin on one of these. An incendiary grenade would burn fast and hot, but considerably cooler than magnesium, and destroy everything in a fraction of a second. Unfortunately, the trigger would take 2 seconds to detonate the grenade, so you may miss your window to destroy the documents if that is an issue. Failing that, your hidden thread inside the fireproof safe could pull on 2 valves, one for natural gas, and one for pure O2, while striking a primer switch to ignite the gas. While more complicated, it would burn a couple hundred degrees cooler than the grenade and could be activated instantly.
The video is over. Thank you for staying until the end. If this answer helps you, please help us too by leaving a like and subscribing to this channel. It allows us to move forward on YouTube. The video is over. You can continue discussing this question in the comments, or find another question that interests you. See you next time.